So, question 22. Show that tan 2 theta equals 2 tan theta divided by 1 minus tan squared theta. Now, a question like this is not obvious. It's not as much as saying, oops, I know the formula for this, one side equals the other side. They'll never give you something like that, because it's just reading out of your logbook, okay? So what you need to do is you need to use another formula I'd use this one here. Now, why would I go for tan A plus B? Can anybody tell me? What's the reason behind that? It's very similar looking, and also what can I do next in today's class already? A and B is theta, so people have already seen me do this. Shh. Theta and theta, that changes everything to thetas. Now look what happens now. Tan 2 theta ends up to be 2 tan theta. Simon. Sorry, it's not 2 by the way, it's just tan squared theta. So 1 minus. Now, what's happening next is it goes by letting theta equals 15, show that tan 15 equals 2 minus root 13, okay? Now here's the problem. It wants me to use the original equation, otherwise it probably wouldn't be there, okay? Now, if theta equals tan 15, okay, look at this. What's tan 2 theta then? 30. Tan 30. Tan 30 equals 2 tan 15, 1 minus tan squared 15. Now, I know this is a quadratic equation, so what I'd like to do, instead of using tan 15, I'm going to use the letter y. Now, you'll see why this comes apparent now. What's tan 30 in the calculator?
Root 3 over 3.
Root 3 over?
3.
Okay, root 3 over 3 is the same thing as 1 over root 3. If you use your log tables, it'll be there, okay? Now what we're going to get is y minus 1 over y squared. What I'm going to do first is I'm going to multiply it out. When I multiply it out, what we're going to get is this. 1 minus y squared equals root 3y. Going to bring them all over one side. Y squared plus root 3y minus 1 equals 0. How do you think you're going to solve this? Are you going to use the reference number? You're going to have to use the minus b. There's no other way around this. Yeah?
Why isn't it 2y on top of this?
What we have here, it should be 2y. So that doesn't really change too much. It just changes it to plus 2 root 3. So b is now 2 root 3, okay? So we're going to use the minus b formula. It's going to be minus 2 root 3 plus or minus the square root of b squared, which is 2 root 3 squared, minus 4 times 1 times minus 1. Great thing about this is the calculator will do the majority of the work for you. So what we get here is this. 2 root 3 squared, that's going to be minus, it's going to be plus 4, okay, it's 16, root 16, 4, so what we're going to get here guys is this, we're going to get minus 2 root 3 plus or minus 4 all over 2. There's two possible answers. The first answer is going to be minus 3 plus root 4, or sorry, minus 3 plus 2, and the other one's going to be minus root 3 minus 2. And what one did it ask me for?
2 minus root 3.
2 minus root 3, is that there? This one here. 2 minus root 3.